Hello everybody, I am Sally. I am going to have a puppy play for you. The puppy play is where this picture book. There is a bird on the head, but more will learn. Okay, so are you ready? Here we go. Tiki, is something on my head? Yes, there is a bird on your head. There is a bird on your head. Ah! There are a bird on my head now? No, there are two birds on your head. There are two birds on your head. There are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. One or two birds make a nest on my head. I am afraid to ask. So I have eggs on my head. 1, 2, 3. You are 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 2 birds and 3 eggs on my head. What do you want? Somewhere! Why not? I want to go somewhere else. I said, yes, ask. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, bird, will you please go somewhere else? Yeah! It worked. Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Now, they are on my head. Okay, everybody, I am busy.